Bye, Mom. Happy birthday.
Oh, thank you.
You all right?
Yeah.
Happy birthday! I was going to call you, but I decided not to.
Hey.
Happy birthday now.
Me too. Were you wondering
That's why we didn't call you.
Grandma?
Yeah.
Were you wondering why I didn't call you?
It's like nobody called me.
That's what she said.
She's shot.
Thank you.
She saw her. She probably thought it was me, like trying to jump on.
Nice surprise.
Are you Did you know?
No.
She saw it. No, she didn't know.
For like 5 people.
That's my stuff.
What is that?
Close your door, Don.
Hi, Dad.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
She was shocked. That's good. That's good. How you doing?
Good. You?
Good. Shocked, Dad.
Hi, Uncle Don.
Hi.
Where?
Selfie, take a
Huh?
Where?
I don't have camera. I need my kids to take care.
Just taking a movie.
Tell them, you know what? It takes so much.
Oh, second move right now?
Yeah.
So I'm like, thank you. Like watching with my eyes.
Same with me.
Let me grab one. Yeah, you need to.